2 years of drought, a wet spring, and who knows what's in store for the 2026 planting season. Choosing the right corn hybrid has never mattered more to Ohio farmers. That's why we lean on industry partners who are out in the field every day. J.D. Bethel, Director of Agronomic Services at Seed Consultants, is one of those voices Ohio Corn and Wheat trusts. Today we're digging into hybrid performance, what stood out this year, and what agronomic decisions that can make a difference heading into next season. It's all coming up on Kernels.